Is it properly visible to you, all of you? Okay. Now first of all, you just fill up name, roll number, class, school, section. All these are asked to fill in here. Then the activities, project, serial number, date, the activity, page number, and then signature of teacher actually here, over here. Now here, this is a certificate. Here you have to paste your photograph. I think it will be better if the photograph in school uniform. If the photograph is taken in school uniform, in this space. Okay? Now, certified that the modified work of student name, class, section, school name. Just fill up this portion. Number of activities certified, performed, out of. Just write 10 here and leave it. Just leave that portion. Out of total number of activities, leave it. Academic year 2021. Okay. Now the main part of the copy, the activity number, the date. Also you can mention the activity here, the name of the activity, or you can just mention the number and mention it over the index. Okay. Now here limited number of pages are given to you. Okay, so that's why you use that portion. Vishal, don't record it, just listen to me. And then you can use that portion also for writing. If you are doing anything, then just do it here. But if it is blank, then you can write over this also. Okay, because there are limited number of pages given to you for 10 projects. I think 20 or 22, 3 pages are given. That means 2 pages for every. Can you hear me now properly? Hello. Wait, I'm checking. Okay now? Hello. Wait. Hello. Hello. Now? Hello. Now is it clear? Is it clear right now? Am I audible properly? Hello. Am I audible properly right now? Can you hear me properly? Hello? No, sir. Hello? Not clear. Okay, I am checking it once again. Now? Hello? Hello? I am changing the settings right now. Respond me. Now I am audible properly. Okay. Now it's okay. Now, the portion that I'm saying to you, that if it is blank, then you can write this portion also for writing. And if it is needed to paste anything to draw, then you can draw or paste here. Suppose you are starting the activity 1 in this page. Okay, now we have written in this page. You have paste anything here, also okay, there is a this page also you can use. Yes, this page also available for use. Repeat from the first. Okay, I'm telling you again. Suppose you are writing one activity from this page. Okay, now you can paste or draw anything in this space. The space is given to you. You have written here, then also you have written here. Now also this page, suppose it is left blank, nothing to draw or nothing to paste, then also you can use this page for writing. Now is it clear what I am trying to say? What the point I am trying to make here? Suppose you are starting a activity 1 from here, you are drawing or something, you are pasting something here, then it is left blank, nothing to do here, then also you can do it, use it for writing. Also it is available, and then it is ended here. Okay, because not much pages are given, there is limited number of pages is given here. I think for every project 2 pages are given, so don't leave any page blank. If the pages on your right hand side, this kind of these pages, just use it also. Clear? Is it clear? Don't leave them blank, or you have to paste anything or you have to draw anything, then also use this portion. Okay, is it clear right now? Is it clear? Drawing can be done also. Yes, drawing or something to paste, you have to paste something, you are making something, then you have to paste, you want to paste. Okay, so that's it regarding practical. Now move on to the problems. Up to which one you have done of geometric progression? Tell me who are doing the last class. Please tell me. Angona, Jhilam, I think you are doing the last class. Please tell me up to which one you have done. Question number. Please tell me up to which one you have done. I think up to question number 19. Check it once. Check it once. Audio is not clear. Wait, I am checking. In the last class, up to which one we have done in the last class? Please tell me. Maybe some problems due to network. I think question number 19 we have done. Today we'll solve from question number 20 of exercise number. Exercise number 9.3. Yes. So question number 20 of 9.3. Go through the problem. Try to do it yourself. So that the product of the corresponding terms of the sequence AR not at all audible. question number 20. So that the product of the corresponding terms of the sequences AR square and so on, AR to the power n minus 1, and capital AR square dot 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 AR to the power n minus 1 from form a GP. Find the common ratio. The products here, actually the products here making the GP. So you have to show it that it is a GP and find the common ratio. So the sequence, therefore the sequence becomes small a, capital A, then small AR, capital AR, then small AR square, capital AR square, and so on. Last term, small AR to the power n minus 1 into capital AR to the power n minus 1. Okay, now you have to show this sequence will form a GP. Now just do here second term by first term, that will be small a small r, capital A capital R by small a capital A. It will cancel out, so it will be small r into capital R, small r into capital R. Now just do the third term by second term, that will be small a small r square into capital A capital R square by small a small r into capital A capital R. Small a capital A and one small r and one capital R will be cancel out, it will be small r into capital R. So second term by first term and third term by second term will give you same value, that is small r into capital R. Therefore it will forms a GP and common ratio will be this one. Therefore the sequence forms a GP and common ratio CR equals to small r into capital R. Okay, is it all right? Question number 20. Is it all right? Question number 20. Is it all right? Question number 20. Is it all right? Can you hear me? Okay, move on to question number 21. Find the four numbers forming a geometric progression in which the third term is greater than the first term by 9 and second term is greater than the fourth by 18. Okay. So first of all, four terms. We can take four terms in this way. Let the four terms are A, AR, AR square, AR cube. Okay, now according to the condition, third term is greater than the first term by 9. So third term is greater than the first term by 9 according to the question. That means AR square minus A, that is 9. So A into R square minus 1, that is 9. Okay. This is our first condition. Now from the second condition, that is given second term is greater than the fourth term. again according to the question, second term is greater than the fourth term by I think 18. Put it here. So A2 means AR minus AR cube equals to 18. So taking common AR, it will be 1 minus R square equals to 18. Okay. It is equation number 2. Now just divide 2 by 1. Okay, just multiply it with minus 1 and make it in the form that AR into R square minus 1 equals to AR into R square minus 1 equals to minus 18. Okay, and then give it number 2. Just multiply both of the side by minus 1 and it will be AR into R square minus 1 equals to minus 18. So 2 by 1, that will be AR into R square minus 1 by A into R square minus 1 equals to minus 18 by 9. So you will be cancel out, R square minus will be cancel out. So R equals to minus 2. Have you got it? R equals to minus 2. R equals to minus 2. Have you got it? R equals to minus 2. So put the value of R in 1, then you will get the value of A here. Putting R equals to minus 2 in 1, we get A into 4 minus 1 equals to 9. So A equals to 3. So A equals to 3. A equals to 3 and R equals to minus 2. So what are the numbers? The 4 terms. Therefore the 4 terms will be starting with A 3, then AR 3 into minus 2, that is minus 6, then again multiplied with minus 2, that is 18, then again multiplied with minus 2, that is minus, sorry, it will be multiplied with minus 2, that is 12, then again multiplied with minus 2, that will be minus 24. Is it all right? Is it all right? Started with 3, that is A, then AR means 3 into minus 2, that is minus 6, then AR square, so multiplied with minus 2 again, that is 12, and then AR cube, then again multiplied with minus 2, that means minus 24. So the 4 terms are 3 minus 6, 12 minus 24. Is it clear? Is it all right? Can you hear me? So that's all for today. We'll be back again here with a new class and we'll solve from question number 22. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.